Hello everyone. Today I'll be reviewing over my stock portfolio. I'll go through the trades I executed today and compare them with what I had planned over the weekend. Starting at the top, this is a graphical representation of my account balance. I started with approximately $4,700 in the account, and at market close I have $114,000. Along the way I've deposited $33,700, and that brings me to a total gain of approximately 300% year to date. Here shows the Tesla stock over one day. I wrote the options at market open. I wrote it pretty much at the low point. Things were starting to trend down, so my premiums weren't quite as good as I had expected them to be over the weekend. And we can see that reflection here. I actually collected $772 in premiums, but I had planned around approximately $818. Additionally, I did do one trade that I didn't mention in the last video. And as the Ford stock went up, I shorted additional shares of that. And then I turned around and wrote sell puts on those 400 shares that I had shorted, so 4 contracts. So that is an additional trade that I had not planned. My total gain for the day is $18,000, 18.94%. And in my other account that has the main Tesla position, I gained $148,300. So quite a nice day for trading today. But as far as timing my options and the contracts, I would have been better off waiting to the very end of the closing day. As you can see here, they're all in the red. So if I had waited, I would have collected much more in the premiums, and actually far exceeding what I had estimated that I would get. The only one that I came out ahead on is the Ford put that I wrote at $650, and that is 2 weeks out on the 25th. All other options will expire on the 18th. And so the Tesla stock increased by 12.5%. The strike values was based on historical data from market close on Friday to the close on this Friday. So what is the maximum gain that you can have based on the historical data in one given trading week? And looking back over the last year and a half, that was 31.57%, put it around $495, which is the very first contract that I wrote a call option on. And my plan was that this expires out of the money along with the others. I'm not quite sure about that now because it did increase quite a bit for today. And if it does go in the money, I may buy additional shares. I'll buy 56 shares if I do see this is actually going to go in the money. Or what I may choose to do is just buy that option back, basically forfeiting pretty much all of these amounts. So I have to review it towards the end of the week and see if all of these options expire worthless or if these options are in the money. And right now the only one that is in the money is the CCJ. And I did write that when the price was around $11.08. So I got still a 20-cent premium over what the stock price was. But you can see from this, I would have actually been better off just not writing the option and just simply selling it at $11.28, and then I would have collected the premium right away. All right, so that's all I have for the update on the account for today. All right.